Hey y'all, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in again. If you're new, subscribe and join the family. Today's video is going to be basically me showing you guys how I package my orders. I don't know if you've watched my lunch day vlog yet, but I did put out a lunch day vlog about a week ago. And in the video, I sped up. It was basically like a time lapse of me packing the orders that I had got from lunch day. Really didn't just sit down and talk through it because I had music playing over it. So in the comments, you guys let me know that you wanted me to make a video with me packing my order. I do have two orders. One order is a pickup order. She's gonna come pick it up. Don't know when, I've been asking her. And the other order, I'm gonna be shipping it out. So basically, you're really just gonna watch me package up one, because the one for the girl that's gonna pick up, it's already kind of packaged, and I already got that in the bag. And it is my first order that's in another state besides Texas, and I'm super excited. And I'm gonna let her know too. I'm gonna let her know to watch this video because I'm gonna put her name and stuff in it. Very grateful for you if you're watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. But yeah, so I'm gonna be packaging your order today and we're gonna be shipping it out. Been about a day. I think she ordered on New Year's if I'm not mistaken. And I was with family, but I'm ready to go ahead and handle business back at home. I don't want to do too much talk, but that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. You guys asked for it, so I'm gonna show you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm in my little office or whatever with all my stuff. So what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and grab the shipping labels that I have from Avery. Thing is, I ran out of black ink and have yet to go buy some more. So all I have in my printer right now is color ink. So I've been going to my business office in my apartments complex to print out shipping labels and packing slips. So basically I'm just grabbing the shipping labels that I got from Avery. And they have regular white paper in there, so that's exactly what I use for the packing slips. But as far as for the shipping labels, I have to buy my own. So yeah, we're about to run to the business office, log in on the computer, print those out, and come back, and we're gonna go ahead and start packaging the orders. I'll see you guys either outside or in the business office. Hopefully nobody's in there. Last time somebody was in there, I couldn't even talk to y'all. I had to just play some music, do a little voiceover, but hopefully it's just me in there so I can have my full attention on you guys. Get into the lips. I got on Kahlua shop, $4.50. Sure. Okay, so it was two girls in here, and I don't know, I think they may be coming back. Well, they getting in the car. They left these computers unlocked and stuff, and they still got their stuff pulled up, so I don't know if they're coming back in here. But I'm basically trying to turn on the computer that I'm on. It's not turning on. Okay, so the computer I was just on isn't working, so I'm just hopping on the computer that the girls that just left was on. But I ain't got time to wait on that computer. Sometimes they be acting slow. I need to go and buy some ink and stop procrastinating so I can just print this stuff out from the house. So I'm logged in. Now you just go to orders. Here she go. And it's funny because her name is Aaliyah as well. Like, girl, we got the same name. Turn up. I'm gonna print out her packing slip first. Then I'm gonna go to Power Ship and print out her shipping label. Okay. And she that note, she said, I watch your lunch day vlog, and I was like, I got an order from her. Laughing face with a heart. She's so sweet. So you just basically click get rates. You're gonna click envelope. It's a 6x10 that I'm putting it in. I didn't weigh it, but since I've gotten an order just like hers already, when I launched, somebody made an order and got 2 lip glosses and a lotion, and it was about say 2 ounces. So I'm just gonna put 2 ounces. It doesn't have to be exact. And then you click get rates. For shipping, it's $2.84. I guess it went down It used to be about $3.50, which is how much I charge on my website. I might go back in and do some adjustments and print label and then put this in a printer and then it'll print out. Upside down and print. And there we go. Now we're gonna go back to the house and pack this order. What she ordered is our Madoka Pink, our Iridescent, and our Polka Dot Pink Body Shimmer Lotion. Here is our Polka Dot Pink Body Shimmer Lotion. This is our Squeeze Tube in Iridescent, 10 milliliter. These pearls from Michaels, and there were pearl strips, and I just went ahead and just decorated it. Then this is Madoka Pink, 10 milliliter Squeeze Tube. And I also crafted the butterflies from Michaels. Go ahead and grab the rest of the materials. I would show y'all, but I already got my camera set up there. A bag of scrunchies, shipping label, and this isn't my business card. This is a thank you card. This is my thank you card with a discount code on there for their next purchase. And this is the actual business card for their next purchase. It's thanking them for the purchase and also giving them a discount to use for their next purchase if they decide to order with us again. I got my organza bags, and I don't know which poly miller I want to use. I don't think this shipping label can fit on this one. I might have to cut out the edges to make it fit. But I've always been using these, and this is the one that I put on the shipping label. I put 6x10. So this is the one that I'm gonna have to go ahead and use. Then I got these from Dollar Tree, shredded paper. Also, I'm gonna give her a free lip gloss because I have one free lip gloss left. And here's the mystery lip gloss. It has lavender in it, so it has a scent. All my other lip glosses don't have a scent yet. When I make another batch of my lip glosses that I originally sell, I'm gonna put flavor and scent in them, but this is the only one with a scent. It doesn't have a flavor, and it has lavender in it, so it smells really, really good. It smells like flowers. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting this stuff in the bag. I should probably put this lotion first. Sometimes when I get the lotion and then a lot of lip gloss, I give them 2 organza bags, and I put the lotion in there with the business cards, and then I put the lip glosses in there by itself. And we're gonna close that on up. Set that to the side. And the actual lip glosses. I'm also gonna put a scrunchie. I'm not sure what her favorite color is, but I'm gonna just put one that looks cute with the packaging. I'm gonna give her this lavender one since I'm giving her the free lavender mystery lip gloss, just cause hopefully she likes it. This is what it looks like. Time to go ahead and put it in the poly miller. And they both can fit. Okay, we're gonna write her a little note. This is actually the first note I'm writing on here. I've never written a note on anybody's order, but she was sweet enough to leave me a note, so I'm gonna be sweet enough to write her one back. I just put enjoy your order, and I said, girl, thank you so much for the support. And at the bottom, I'm gonna just put something like, don't stay away for too long. Okay, that's girl power right there. We both got the same name and everything. So yeah, we're gonna fold that up, put it in here. Just like that. All right. And now we're gonna remove this. And we're gonna close the bag. Now I'm going to put one of these stickers on the back, just like that. It says I got it from her. You see it because my camera is a little bit too bright right now, but it says I got it. It's off. And peel it in there. Just like that. All right. And I know it probably won't mean anything to weigh it since I already printed it out the shipping label, but we're gonna see if it's at least 2 ounces. It's a little over 3 ounces, so hopefully we don't get in trouble. But I think if it's under a pound, it's not that big a deal. Okay, so it says 4 ounces and I put 3. Oopsies. But yeah, it shouldn't be a big deal as long as it's under a pound. So yeah, that's it for how I package my orders. Ooh, that's a cute thumbnail. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below and let me know. Like, subscribe, and join the family, and come on this journey with me on my entrepreneur life. I am very invested into this. This is something that I really want to do. It's something that I've always wanted to do. But back then when I started to try to do my entrepreneurship, I was kind of in and out of it and not really motivated and not really consistent. But this time I'm going full on. I promise you, y'all gonna see me up there, like, for real. But yeah, I hit 200 followers on my business page, I think about yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm very grateful for that. So yeah, we're only growing followers by the day. Let me know down below in the comment sections what more business videos you guys want to see, because I am making an entrepreneur life series on my channel right now, because that's all I'm focused on. Just comment down below anything you want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you again, Aaliyah Nelson, for supporting me and ordering. I hope you enjoy your package and don't stay away too long. Make sure you come back and get some more things, because I don't know if you guys know, probably not, but I'm not just going to be selling cosmetics. At the moment, I only have lip gloss and lotion, but I will be releasing lip gloss keychains, candles, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I just can't name off, because technically I'm a boutique, like a shop. I'm not just a cosmetic brand, but you got to start off somewhere. So that's all I have for right now. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I'll catch you guys in my next video, which is probably going to be vlogging me getting my hair pressed out, because I have an appointment today at 3:30. So I think I'm going to vlog that. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, you're the best, and I love you so much. Bye guys.
But I don't wanna come back down. Wait, it's just like it.